Hey there, business owners, entrepreneurs, and freelancers. Nishi here with another fast and exciting social media marketing tip this week. Today, I want to talk about how to accelerate your social media marketing efforts. There are specifically 3 things that I wish I had done sooner when I was pushing my own brands forward. Number 1, I wish I had diversified on the big 5 social media platforms sooner. So I was really comfortable for many years on what was then known as the big 3 social media platforms, which were at the time LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter. And I thought it was pretty good. I was pretty solid there. But I see now, looking back, that I really should have jumped onto YouTube and Instagram sooner. And I mean, better late than never. But if I can't help but think if I had jumped on sooner where my presence would be these days. So that's number 1. As fast as you can, diversify and spread your presence onto on the big 5 social media platforms. Number 2, I wish I had joined the video marketing craze sooner. So producing my own videos like this one and putting them out on YouTube, this kind of ties in with the first thing I wish I had done, which is get onto YouTube sooner. My engagement and my rapport, my credibility, all improved with my creating videos. So my wish for all of you business owners is if you're not creating videos yet, you need to get on that as soon as possible. And then finally, I wish I had created my ebook lead magnet sooner. My first lead magnet was a very simple ebook, blogging for entrepreneurs. And I don't know why it took me so long to get around to producing it, but as soon as I did, I got great response, and my rapport and credibility improved with my clients and my potential clients. And I was able to grow my email list exponentially after that. It was suddenly just a really easy thing to do. So it was totally worth my while. And I think the reason I hesitated was because I was really frantic about getting it perfect. I'm a perfectionist by nature, of course. And I know a lot of you are too. So that's why I say this. But it's just something that you have to get out there and not worry too much about it getting 100% perfect. If you make some mistakes, it's okay. Then you know where to correct yourself for the next time, really. So that's it for today. 3 ways you can accelerate your social media marketing strategies today is to diversify on the big 5 social media platforms and get on the video marketing bandwagon and create a lead magnet. An ebook is a great way to grow your email list and just improve your credibility with your clients and your potential clients. So that's it for this week. I hope you found that useful. If you did, please subscribe. I put out a new video and a new blog article every week. Until next time, take care.